Deep within the forests, a silent conversation is taking place. Trees, the silent guardians of our planet, are not as solitary as they seem. They communicate, share resources, and support each other in a complex web of life. This intricate network, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web, is revolutionizing our understanding of forests. For centuries, we have viewed trees as individuals competing for sunlight and nutrients. However, groundbreaking research has revealed a different story. Trees are not rivals, but collaborators, interconnected by an intricate underground network of fungi. This network, like an enormous underground brain, allows trees to communicate and share resources. Through this network, mother trees, the oldest and largest trees in the forest, nurture their offspring, share warnings about drought and disease, and even support their neighbors in times of need. Suzanne Simard, a renowned forest ecologist, has been at the forefront of this groundbreaking research. Her book, Finding the Mother Tree, delves into the fascinating world of tree communication and the crucial role of mother trees. Simard's work challenges our traditional understanding of forests. It reveals a world where trees are not passive bystanders but active participants in a complex and interconnected ecosystem. Through decades of research, Simard has uncovered the secrets of the Wood Wide Web. She has shown how trees use this network to exchange nutrients, water, and even chemical signals. This discovery has profound implications for how we view and manage our forests. Recognizing the interconnectedness of trees can lead to more sustainable forestry practices that support the health and resilience of these vital ecosystems. Imagine a world where trees communicate not through rustling leaves or creaking branches, but through a silent, invisible network beneath the forest floor. This is the world revealed by Suzanne Simard's research, a world where trees communicate through a complex language of chemical signals. These signals, transmitted through the intricate network of roots and fungi, carry vital information about the forest ecosystem. Mother trees, the wise elders of the forest, use this network to communicate with their offspring, sharing resources and providing guidance. They can sense changes in their environment, such as drought or disease, and send out warning signals to their neighbors. This intricate communication system allows trees to adapt to changing conditions and support each other in times of stress. The language of trees is subtle and complex, but it plays a crucial role in the health and resilience of the entire forest ecosystem. By understanding this language, we can begin to appreciate the interconnectedness of forests and the importance of preserving these vital ecosystems. The Wood Wide Web, also known as the mycorrhizal network, is a vast underground network of fungal threads that connect trees and other plants in a complex web of life. This network functions much like the internet, allowing trees to exchange information and resources over long distances. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with tree roots, attaching themselves to the root system and extending their thread-like hyphae throughout the soil. These hyphae act as extensions of the tree roots, increasing their surface area and allowing them to access nutrients and water that would otherwise be unavailable. In return for these services, the trees provide the fungi with sugars produced through photosynthesis. This mutually beneficial relationship is essential for the health and survival of both trees and fungi. The mycorrhizal network is a marvel of nature, a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. By facilitating communication and resource sharing, this network plays a vital role in the stability and resilience of forest ecosystems. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Wood Wide Web is its role in nutrient exchange between trees. Through the mycorrhizal network, trees can share essential nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, with their neighbors. Mother trees, with their extensive root systems and well-established mycorrhizal connections, act as central hubs in this network. They can transfer nutrients to seedlings growing in the understory, providing them with the resources they need to thrive. This nutrient sharing is particularly important in challenging environments such as shaded forest floors where sunlight is scarce. By receiving nutrients from their mothers, seedlings can survive and grow even in these low-light conditions. The mycorrhizal network also allows trees to share resources across species. For example, nitrogen-fixing trees, which can convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form, can share this valuable nutrient with neighboring trees that lack this ability. The Wood Wide Web is not just a conduit for nutrients, it also serves as a communication highway for warning signals. When a tree is attacked by insects or infected with disease, it can release chemical signals into the network, alerting its neighbors to the threat. Upon receiving these warning signals, neighboring trees can activate their defenses, producing chemicals that deter insects or make them less susceptible to disease. This early warning system allows trees to prepare for potential threats and minimize damage. In some cases, trees can even send out distress signals through the mycorrhizal network, calling for help from beneficial fungi or insects that can attack their attackers. This complex interplay between plants, fungi and insects highlights the intricate web of life that exists within forest ecosystems. The ability of trees to communicate and share warnings through the Wood Wide Web is a testament to the power of cooperation in nature. This sophisticated defense system allows forests to withstand and recover from disturbances, ensuring their long-term survival. In the heart of British Columbia's old-growth forests, a fascinating story of interspecies cooperation unfolds between the towering Douglas fir and the graceful paper birch. These two species, often seen sharing the same forest floor, engage in a remarkable exchange of resources through the mycorrhizal network. During the spring and summer months, when sunlight is abundant, the Douglas fir, with its towering height and dense canopy, thrives, converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. However, during these same months, the paper birch, with its lighter canopy, struggles to capture enough sunlight to meet its needs. Through the mycorrhizal network, the Douglas fir, flush with carbon-rich sugars from photosynthesis, shares its bounty with the paper birch. This underground transfer of resources helps sustain the birch during the summer months, when it is most vulnerable. This remarkable story of interspecies cooperation highlights the interconnectedness of forest ecosystems and the essential role of the mycorrhizal network in supporting the health and resilience of forest communities. As summer transitions to fall, the roles reverse in this intriguing partnership. The Douglas fir, its photosynthetic activities slowing with the diminishing sunlight, becomes increasingly reliant on the mycorrhizal network for nutrients. The paper birch, having stored up energy reserves throughout the summer, now steps in to support its coniferous companion. Through the same mycorrhizal network, the birch transfers nutrients to the Douglas fir, helping it through the lean winter months. This reciprocal exchange of resources, facilitated by the mycorrhizal network, ensures the survival of both species throughout the year. It is a testament to the power of cooperation and the intricate balance that exists within forest ecosystems. Suzanne Simard's research has revealed that this type of interspecies cooperation is not an isolated phenomenon, but rather a common occurrence in forests around the world. It underscores the importance of preserving the integrity of forest ecosystems and the mycorrhizal networks that connect them. Understanding the language of trees is like learning a new language, one whispered through chemical signals and interpreted through intricate root systems. It is a language of subtle cues and complex responses, a language that has been speaking for millennia beneath our feet. Simard's research has given us a glimpse into this hidden world, revealing the intricate ways in which trees communicate and interact. Through her work, we are beginning to recognize the forest as a complex and interconnected community, where trees are not just passive bystanders, but active participants in a vibrant ecosystem. This newfound understanding has profound implications for how we manage and conserve our forests. It challenges us to look beyond individual trees and to consider the interconnectedness of the entire forest ecosystem. By learning to recognize and respect the language of trees, we can begin to develop more sustainable forestry practices that support the health and resilience of these vital ecosystems. The Wood Wide Web, with its vast network of fungal threads and intricate communication pathways, holds a wealth of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Scientists are only just beginning to scratch the surface of this complex underground world, and each new discovery reveals the astonishing interconnectedness of forest ecosystems. Researchers are exploring the role of the mycorrhizal network in carbon sequestration, nutrient cycling, and forest regeneration. They're investigating the impact of climate change on these underground networks and the potential for harnessing their power to mitigate the effects of global warming. The study of the Wood Wide Web is not just an academic pursuit, it has real-world implications for the conservation and management of our forests. By understanding the intricate workings of this underground network, we can develop more effective strategies to protect these vital ecosystems. The journey into the world of the Wood Wide Web is a journey into the heart of forest ecosystems. It is a journey that challenges our assumptions, expands our understanding, and inspires us to protect the irreplaceable treasures of the natural world. For centuries, forests have stood as silent giants, their sprawling canopies a testament to their enduring strength. Yet, a silent crisis has been unfolding beneath the surface, a crisis that threatens to unravel the intricate web of life that sustains these vital ecosystems. Forest fragmentation, driven by human activities such as logging, agriculture, and urbanization, is tearing apart the interconnected network of trees, jeopardizing the health and resilience of forests worldwide. Imagine a forest once teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry of towering trees, their roots intertwined in a complex underground network. Now, picture this once continuous forest fragmented into isolated patches, separated by roads, fields, and human settlements. This fragmentation disrupts the flow of nutrients, water, and information through the mycorrhizal network, weakening the very fabric of the forest ecosystem. Mother trees, the ancient guardians of the forest, are particularly vulnerable to fragmentation. These venerable trees, with their extensive root systems and well-established mycorrhizal connections, play a crucial role in supporting the health and regeneration of the entire forest. When these mother trees are lost or isolated, the consequences can be devastating. Fragmentation not only weakens individual trees, but also disrupts the delicate balance of the entire forest ecosystem. It reduces biodiversity, increases the spread of disease, and makes forests more susceptible to the impacts of climate change. Section 2. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Solutions, Integrating Tree Networks into Forest Management. For generations, indigenous communities around the world have recognized the interconnectedness of forests, incorporating this understanding into their traditional practices of forest stewardship. Today, as we grapple with the challenges of climate change and biodiversity loss, there is a growing recognition that we can learn from the wisdom of these traditional practices and apply them to modern forest management. Suzanne Simard's research on mother trees and the Wood Wide Web provides a scientific basis for these ancient practices. Her work has shown that by preserving mother trees and maintaining forest connectivity, we can enhance the health, resilience, and productivity of our forests. One promising approach is the concept of analog forestry, which seeks to mimic the structure and function of natural forests in managed landscapes. This approach emphasizes the importance of diversity, both in terms of tree species and age classes, as well as the preservation of key ecological processes, such as natural regeneration and nutrient cycling. By shifting our focus from individual trees to the interconnectedness of the entire forest ecosystem, we can develop more sustainable forestry practices that support the long-term health and resilience of these vital ecosystems. Section 3. Guardians of the Forest. A call to action for conservation. The fate of our forests rests in our hands. The discoveries about mother trees and the wood wide web have unveiled a hidden world of interconnectedness, revealing the remarkable ways in which trees communicate, cooperate, and support each other. This knowledge empowers us to become better stewards of these vital ecosystems, to protect them for future generations. We can all play a role in forest conservation, from supporting sustainable forestry practices to advocating for the protection of old-growth forests. We can choose to purchase wood products from certified sustainable sources, reduce our paper consumption, and support organizations working to conserve forests worldwide. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By working together, we can ensure that forests continue to thrive, providing clean air, clean water, and a home for countless species, including our own. Let us be inspired by the silent wisdom of trees, their interconnectedness a testament to the power of cooperation and resilience. Let us become guardians of the forest, protecting these vital ecosystems for generations to come. Section 1. A network of resilience, reflecting on the wisdom of the woods. The forest stands as a symbol of resilience, a testament to the enduring power of connection and collaboration. The discovery of the wood wide web and the vital role of mother trees has fundamentally shifted our understanding of these complex ecosystems. We once viewed trees as solitary individuals, competing for resources in a silent struggle for survival. Now we see them as active participants in a vibrant community, interconnected by a vast and intricate network of life. Through the mycorrhizal network, trees share resources, send warning signals, and support each other in times of stress. This underground web of connection allows forests to adapt to changing conditions, to withstand disturbances, and to regenerate with remarkable resilience. It is a testament to the power of cooperation, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to connect, to support, and to thrive. The wisdom of the forest lies in its interconnectedness, in the recognition that the well-being of the whole is inextricably linked to the well-being of each individual. It is a wisdom that has sustained forests for millennia, a wisdom we can learn from as we navigate the challenges of the 21st century. Section 2. Our intertwined destiny, a call to action for the forests and our future. The fate of our forests is inextricably linked to our own. As we face the growing threats of climate change, biodiversity loss, and environmental degradation, the need to protect these vital ecosystems has never been more urgent. The discoveries about mother trees and the wood wide web provide us with a roadmap for a more sustainable future. A future where humans and forests can coexist and thrive together. We are called to action, to become guardians of the forest, to protect these ancient ecosystems for generations to come. This means supporting sustainable forestry practices that prioritize the long-term health and resilience of forests over short-term profits. It means advocating for the protection of old-growth forests, recognizing their irreplaceable ecological and cultural value. Each of us can make a difference. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, from the products we consume to the policies we support, we can contribute to a future where forests continue to flourish, providing clean air, clean water, and a home for countless species, including our own. The time to act is now. Let us heed the silent wisdom of the woods and forge a path toward a more sustainable and harmonious future for all.